This 2018 Coachmen Mirada 35BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Coachman is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Bisque cherry interior, sleeps 8, external shower, refrigerator, oven, skylight, microwave, stove-top burner, water heater, TV antenna, DVD player, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2018 Coachmen Mirada 35BH is built on a Ford F53 26,000 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-10 6.8 L320 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.